Good evening, sir. My name is Angelica Asho. I'm your student in IS 107 Business Intelligence. So let me introduce to you my project title, Analysis of Frequency Magnitude Distribution for Different Regions. So this title explains how often earthquakes happen and how strong they are in different places. By looking at the earthquake data from various regions, it helps us understand where strong earthquakes occur more often and how this pattern change from area to another. So this page 1 under Hello is the overview of understanding the frequency magnitude distribution in different regions. So in summary, analyzing the frequency magnitude distribution helps scientists understand how earthquakes behave in different regions. This knowledge improves earthquake prediction, help design safer structures, and support disaster preparedness. Each technology advances, researchers will continue to find better ways to study and manage earthquake risk, making the world a safer place. So, page 2 is plotting demo. So, under plotting demo is the visualization of events occur in various locations from 2019 to 2025. Okay. Each dot on the graph represents an event showcasing its magnitude and the year it took place. The color-coded marker different locations such as Masbate, Zambales, Calayan, Oriental Mindoro, and several other across the Philippines. So magnitude values range 1 to 7, allowing for an analysis at trend of patterns over time. This graphical representation is valuable for understanding how event magnitude had evolved, making it useful for research, safety planning, and predictive and assessment in affected areas. Page 2 is the mapping demo. So mapping demo shows earthquake data from the other provinces. Then the table display important details like the area, magnitude, and depth of each recorded events. Using this filter, we can focus on specific places and better understand how earthquake behave in different locations. So below the table is a map provided show where the earthquakes happen. Then the map uses color and marker to display the magnitude and depth clearly. It easily see patterns and compare earthquake activities across the region. So this sidebar is I have two options: the selected year and the selected provinces. You can choose different year and then choose different provinces. Then it shows it shows the deep, the magnitude, and its label. So under page 3, I mean page 4 is the data frame demo. This data is represent earthquake data from different provinces. Example, Masbate, Calayan, Surigao del Sur, and Sultan Kudarat. The table show the different date, time, location, and magnitude of each earthquake, making it easy to study the details of each event. Below is the table, shows the table. There is a line graph show that shows the magnitude of earthquakes over the time. So for example, Masbate, then choose another provinces like Calayan, Surigao del Sur, and Sultan Kudarat. Then, through this data frame demo, student can learn how to organize and then at the same time filter and visualize earthquake information effectively. So under page 5 is my proposed title for analysis of the frequency magnitude distribution for different region. So this proposed title represents the filter option, selection of different provinces along with the filter data coming from my CSV files, and the additional column is the frequency of magnitude and region frequency of magnitude. Then the bar chart represent or illustrate the frequency of earthquake in every region like Batuan or any selected provinces. The x-axis represent the magnitude range. And the y-axis indicate the frequency of earthquake. So play the play button. Shows how frequency and region distribute. Then the last part is the show map focus on the earthquake activity. Color-coded scale represent the magnitude of earthquake, while a timeline sidebar at the bottom allow exploration of earthquake events. The presence of a play button suggests an interaction feature for observing earthquake occurrence. So that's all. Thank you, sir.